Okay, so now go ahead and type in kubectl get pods. KUB. Yes. Okay, so now you see that one pod is running, which is called as it's about to run. It is called as Nginx, right? Enter the command again to see the status ready. Okay, it is still in pending. I think there is some network issue. That's the reason it is delaying the running thing. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and create a pod using the YAML file. Okay, there are two things that you can do in order to run a pod. Like if you already have a image like your Nginx or any other public image, if you want to run that in terms of containers, then it would create, if you run it as a container command, what we usually give with kubectl run nginx hyphen hyphen image and nginx, like how we follow in the Docker as well, it will go ahead and create a pod for you. Okay, but in most of the cases, if we want to create the pod, we will be using the YAML syntax. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a pod in YAML syntax. So I want you to create a file and add this particular code. In the kmaster, go ahead and create a file sudo nano pod.yml, and I'll tell you what is the syntax and how do you have to write the YAML definition for Kubernetes as well. Yes. So here the format that you will have to follow whenever you are writing any pod definition.yaml is that API version should be v1, that is the standard for pods, and the kind should be pod. This kind will keep on changing based on the different services that you're going to use in Kubernetes. In case if you're going to use replicas or replica set, then the kind will change. The kind will become replica controller, replication controller, and also replica set. Okay. Right now we are going to create a pod. That's where your kind will be pod. And under metadata, you will be giving the different data that you are going to create for the pod. So under that, you are giving labels where you are defining app as your app, and then the specification will go ahead with the containers. So where is your containers information stored inside the pod? It is under specification. So under specification, you will have to define containers. Inside containers, you can go ahead and give the containers like container name and the image that you want to run inside that particular pod. Okay, and make sure that you're going to run one pod inside a container. Okay, that means one container should be there inside a pod. We will also see the other things as well, but the suggested way from Kubernetes architecture is that you need to make sure that you are running one container for a pod. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a file, add the contents, and see how to create a pod out of this file. Yes, go ahead and create a file called as yeah, sudo nano. Sudo is not required. Nano and pod.yml. Yeah, go ahead and paste the contents and make sure the alignment is correct because yeah, because YAML file requires the indentation to be correct. Wait. API version kind metadata should be in the same line. Name and label should be inside metadata. So go ahead to the name, hit a space, not there, below. Yeah. Go to the name, hit double space. Yes, same with the label. Yes, and app should be under labels. Yes, and specification and metadata is correct. Containers should be under specifications. Okay, image name should be under containers. Yeah, hit double space. Yes, take that hyphen. Yeah, that should be under containers. Yes, image should be where the name is there. Space, space. Yes, yes, enough, enough. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and save it. Yeah, now we are going to create a YAML file out of it. So if you want to create the pod out of this, kubectl space, yeah, create hyphen f, sorry, change the file name. It is pod.yml, right? Okay, your pod created. That's where you're telling, that's where it is telling my app hyphen pod is running. Yeah, go ahead and check the pods. So now you see that there are two pods, but it is in pending state. Okay, I think there is some error with the network. That's the reason the pods are not getting started. It is not able to connect. Where are these servers created? Which region? It is in Ohio region, is it? Okay, okay. We had to create it in Mumbai region so that it would be easier for us to access as well. And also, we won't encounter much of the network issues. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, no, but you're able to connect it, is it? Okay, let's do one thing because see, whenever it is trying to connect, it is giving the timeout while waiting for the admin, okay, cube admin. Maybe that will be based on your region as well. So, like, let's not do that thing in the class. I want you to create two more servers in Mumbai region and go ahead and follow the steps that are required for Kubernetes admin and master slave and node slave to be installed because I think you have all the steps right, Vijay. Let me know if you have any issues. If you're not able to like go through all the steps, then we can go ahead and do it in the next class. Okay. Today, let's go ahead and see the other concepts of your pod. But okay, if the pod is not running, then I can't show the other things like if I'm stopping a container, how the replicas will work and how the replication controllers will work. Okay. Let's do one thing. Go ahead and create 2 more servers in Mumbai region. And we have to install Kubernetes cluster there. Yeah, go ahead and create 2 instances really fast.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you able to hear voice?
Yes. Now, yeah. Now only hello I heard.
Yeah, yeah. It's like if you have anything, any instance already with it having
Mm-hmm.
2 instances, so just show me those, madam. It's like again, if you're creating instance, it will take time, right?
Yeah, I also don't have the instances ready in my
Oh,
this thing. Yeah, I created in Mumbai region, but I terminated it.
oh,
Yeah.
like yeah.
Fine. If it is taking time, then let's.
Taking time in the sense means like we need to follow all these things, right?
Yes, yes, of
Yeah.
course. Yeah,
Because
you
if
need
I
to.
miss anything, if I will do my own, but if
Mm.
I miss anything, now then again it will be we can't able to understand where I got missed.
Okay, let's do it in now only, so that
Should we
we
stop
will.
these things?
Yes, you can terminate those things.
You can tell me directly, na, ma'am, without stopping also.
You can terminate without stopping also. Because I'm thinking the issue is because of the
Region.
network of that region. Yeah, that's the reason I want to see it in Mumbai region.
Even I faced one issue. I told you, na, madam.
That's what. That's what. Because
I
if the
thought I
pods and nodes are not running, then like we cannot see the additional concepts like your replication and all. That's the important concept where you need to see like it will make sure that even if one of the node goes down or even if one of the pods goes down, it keeps your replication up always. Like it will go ahead and create a new pod in another node and keeps your application highly available always. So that is a scenario which you need to understand. Yeah. Fine. Go to the Mumbai region below. Correct. Yeah. Give launch instance. Yes. Give the first one.
first one should be T2 micron, right?
Yes.
Yeah, any subnets we need to add.
Not required. Not required. Let it be the default one. Review and launch. I think you can go ahead with review and launch. Create a key pair. Yeah. This is for a different region, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go ahead and create one more server with medium. Okay, let's wait for both of them to be initialized. What happened? Okay, it is getting started, right? Okay. Yeah, go ahead and connect.
Madam, what this zone says, madam, actually, this AP hyphen South 1 be South 1.
Zone says about your availability zone, okay? Because see, right now we are in Mumbai, right? AP hyphen South hyphen 1. But your servers will be created based on the availability zone. Okay, that means inside Mumbai, you can have your servers getting created in different regions. Okay, that is the concept with respect to your availability set, availability zone, and then geo redundant
No,
replication.
means like suppose if AP means which region it will belongs to.
AP hyphen South hyphen 1 means Mumbai.
Okay,
Okay, full those three things you need to take it.
okay,
AP hyphen South hyphen 1. Okay, it will be there in the region thing itself. When you select the region, it will give you the region name as well.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah, man, both are running now.
okay. So let's connect it.
Yeah, connected.
Okay, so let's go ahead and follow the steps. First thing is, let's go ahead and
We need
swap.
to add master and slave.
First swap off, and before that, do the apt get update. Okay, let me give you one script. Go to the Andalike. In Andalike, you also have a script to execute in one go. Like you have a shell scripting.
The repositories.
Yes, the repositories. Click on Kubernetes. Search on Kubernetes. Yes. So you have master.sh, docker master.sh.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, copy the contents from here.
Okay.
Create a .sh file in the machine, master machine.
So we need to run this, madam.
Yeah, you have to run this. But let's put it in a shell scripting file so that it executes all the commands in
Okay,
one go.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nano master.sh.
So we need to any change we need to do here.
Not required.
It's correct, right?
Yes. That's fine.
Shall I run that?
Yes, run it.
Yeah, it's showing error, man.
Hmm. Kubernetes has been installed, but after that, to init, whenever you are initializing it, it is giving
It's
you.
one and the same error, madam. It's like it's the same error, madam. What we got in the beginning when we are running.
Cannot
Hello.
slash etc slash Kubernetes admin. What is that? Slash etc slash Kubernetes, and I'm not able to read the whole message. The Skype icons are coming in.
Where, madam?
The end you have the message, right? To see the stack trace. What is that? CP cannot
This one.
stack. Yeah, yeah. That and the above line.
It is at Kubernetes admin.config.
Okay.
Are you able to hear, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. I'm able to hear.
Yeah, yeah. This is the path.
Kubernetes. Okay. 1 second. It is telling it is not able to copy this. That's fine. So go to nano space slash etc slash hosts to see change the machine. You need to enter the details here. Okay, go ahead and take the private IP address of both the machines using ifconfig.
Yeah, this is a private IP.
Okay, let's add in.
Sorry, private IP is this one. For
Type in
T2.
ifconfig. Yes. 55.55, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Can you add these two, this address and the other address into the host and call it as knode and kmaster? Kmaster
Yeah,
node.
ma'am. Here you want to add.
Inside host /etc/host. Yeah.
Yeah, I
After,
went to there,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. That's fine. That's fine. But give the IP address first and space called as kmaster. Yeah. Space kmaster. Not is
1
equal.
minute.
Okay. Okay.
62 is medium, so it will be the K master, right?
Correct. Correct.
K node.
Yes.
No, it's saying permission denied, madam. It's like maybe we need to enter with root, I think.
Correct. Correct. Yes. Yeah.
So shall
No,
we exit?
you should not give is equal to. You should give space. 62 space.
Oh,
That is fine. Okay. Huh.
read correct.
Yeah, that should be correct. But I think you need to enter it as a root.
Still we need to enter.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Copy these two lines if it is not there in the notepad so that it will be easier for us to copy it next.
So we can.
Give sudo su control x n.
Yeah. Okay. Here from Ubuntu folder we should not do that, madam. We need to go back.
Not like that. It's fine. So, if you give sudo su only, even if you are in the Ubuntu, it will consider you as a root only.
Okay.
Yeah, go to /etc/host.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, save it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is treating as a master node,
Yes, yes.
but but here it should show.
No, because we have not changed the host name.
Oh,
We
okay.
have added the hosts, like we have listed the host that will be considered inside the cluster, right?
This is
So in order,
62.
yes, go, okay. 62 is master or slave?
62 is master, madam. It's like I
Okay.
will show you. So T2 medium,
Mm-hmm.
okay, is 62.
Correct. Then it is a
So
master.
we kept it as a master.
Correct, correct.
55 T2 micro, what we do regular, normal, as a
That
node.
is as a node, correct. That's correct. So let's go ahead and change the host names. Go to nano slash etc slash host name. Host name. No, it's not. Okay, you are in the. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm in
Node,
a
right?
node.
K node. Okay,
Yeah, no.
that's correct.
Oh shit, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, now change the host name.
No, I already changed the host name. Right?
No, you have added the host names into the host file. But if you want to change the host name is the name that is coming. Right now, it is showing IP only, right? It should show kmaster and knode, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It is there in the chat. Go ahead and copy that location.
But here it is showing, no, madam. Even when we change that, directly it is saying master node.
Okay. Because we had run this shell script, right? .sh for master node, not for slave
Okay,
node. There, the name it is taking as master node.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's change that actually because we have referenced as K master, right?
Yeah, we kept it
So
as a master.
yeah, it will contradict actually. Yeah, go to nano slash etc slash hostname.
In the master you are saying, right?
Yes, in the master.
Okay,
Not to this. There is one more file which is called as host name. This is hosts.
okay,
Control
okay.
X. Yeah, Control X. Copy the command which is there in the chat. Hosts is to define the number of hosts that you're connecting.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
here they
here
are.
this master node is there. So change it to kmaster.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, save it. Do the same thing with the child node.
So here K node.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. No.
Okay. So
Still it
now,
is not reflect.
no, you need to restart the systems. Only then it will reflect. Go ahead and see if OpenSSH is installed in both the machines. And update the package. It will be installed. Just cross check. I think sudo is not required because we are already in the sudo user, right?
We need to run in both the.
Yeah, in both. This is to ensure that SSH connection tool, which is called as OpenSSH, is present in both the machines.
I
Yeah,
think it was there, ma'am. It's
yeah,
already
it
there.
should be there. It should be there. Yeah. Yeah, give apt-get update.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, then go ahead and install Docker IO. I think in master it is already installed, but you need to
Yeah,
install
it's
it.
node it is saying time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but wait. Before doing this, give swap off for Knode.
What do we need to, madam? Swap off.
Yeah, swap off -a
Hyphen A.
in Knode, right?
Keynote only we are doing, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Enter.
62 will be the keynote only. Oh, sorry, it's master.
No, I think this is the master. That was the slave.
But how come it is showing IP has 62?
That is your private IP, right?
This is 62 is a master, right?
Oh. Just check in the AWS console.
It's like instance. See, this I am now it in T2 micro, ma'am.
Okay, micro is 55. Correct
It's like
then. No.
62
This
is
one is
master.
62. 62 is master. Correct. It's correct. But
I think we ran that script in
master or slave.
no, it's slave we ran, madam. So it is showing wrong.
Oh, okay, okay.
That script we ran in a mistake. We ran by mistake.
Mm.
We ran in
But
master.
that's okay. Like it did not like it did not go and install the master thing, right? But I think we need to change the host name then.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct?
No, not host name. Host names. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, change the host name. Yeah,
It will
make
be
it
the keynote.
correct.
It will be K master.
Yeah, right.
Because the IP address is showing as. And now it was correct, ma'am. So we ran that script file in the node for node
Node,
keynote.
Keynote, yes.
So
Just make sure if that is the right using ifconfig.
yeah, this is 62.
62 is master, correct?
Yeah, yeah, 62 is master.
Okay.
And this is 55. This is slave.
55 is slave. Okay,
Sorry.
okay. No problem, no problem. So, yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now swap off is done for both the machines, right? And
Yeah,
for
means like we need to do swap off. I have not done, ma'am.
I think master it is done with the shell scripting. But go ahead
No,
and do it.
no. Swap off we done. Shell scripting was ran in the keynote,
Do
right?
it in master node, correct. It was in slave.
Yeah. Swap off hyphen here. And what is the exact command?
Uh, that's all, correct. Enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So go ahead and update it. apt-get update.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, sir. Yeah, ma'am. It got it.
Okay. Go ahead and type in the command for docker io install. apt-get install -y docker io. It's better to copy the command.
Oh. Think it was not there here.
Mm-hmm. Give
So here in the node, knode, we need to show. We need
Uh,
to
Yeah, give that because even if the Docker is there, it will give you the error. Like telling that it's already there.
Yeah, Docker was there. Still, we want to update, man.
No, no, not required.
Want to reinstall or not required, man?
Not required. Even if you give, it will tell you that it is already
Yeah,
installed.
yeah.
Go ahead and install this in Masternode and in Slave Node as well.
1 minute, ma'am. Which command we need to take this command?
Yeah, that one, correct.
The master you are saying.
Yes. Execute in both master and slave.
Oh,
Slave is already done, but just
yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
okay. Go ahead with the next command. Curl -s the package. Yes, that one. Okay, then go ahead with this command next. Yes. From cat till EOF, it's a single command only.
In both places we need to.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's a full command from
Yeah,
cat.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. In both the machines, it's done, right?
Yes. It's for the machine system. Oh, we need to install Kubernetes.
Yes. Before that, apt get update. If you would have done that, then fine.
No. Yeah. It's okay, na, ma'am, that APT.
That's fine.
Because here it was showing different in the
The slave machine, I think it already has those packages,
Okay.
maybe because of that. It's already in the newest version, it is telling. Okay.
Here it's installing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it got installed.
Now go to this file.
both the places, right?
Yes.
We need to add this environment.
Yes.
Is the correct, madam? Environment C groups driver systems.
Yeah, it's actually correct.
I will copy this.
Mm-mm.
If I added in the master, ma'am.
Okay.
So I need to run the same in.
In slave, correct.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, now go ahead and init cube ADM in master machine.
This is the command you are saying.
Correct, correct.
But the
And the
IP
IP address is
address,
also same, right? Oh, no,
no,
it's
no, IP
different.
will not be same. IP will be master. You are saying, no, ma'am.
Yes, master node 1, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, run it in master.
Only the master. Okay.
Yes.
It's like what this command says, madam. Like Kubernetes Unity.
It is telling you need to start, like it usually starts your Kubernetes cluster,
Hmm.
but right now it is telling your Docker is not enabled. You need to enable the Docker service,
Oh,
but that's a warning. Start the Docker.
yeah. Sudo UFW.
Systemctl.
Oh, systemctl. Sorry. Systemctl.
Start Docker.
Docker
Docker start. Yeah.
service. Docker stuff. No, no, madam. Systemctl Docker service. I am not aware of exact command. I am not.
Systemctl start Docker.
Yeah, yeah, okay. If you want to see the status, we will.
Systemctl enable Docker.
Yeah. So we will do some UFW command now, madam. Sudo UFW
That
status.
is to open the firewall actions.
Oh, okay, okay.
Meanwhile, go ahead and open the ports for both of the machines in your security groups, right? Because these are the new servers that we created, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Created.
So this was done successfully, madam.
Yes. Okay, copy this command, like from the Kubernetes till end. Kubernetes started successfully because we need this one to join, and also we need those commands to execute as well. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Now we want to give the port. We want to
Yes.
change the security groups.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Outbound rules. That's already there. Okay. For the other security group.
Yeah, yeah, going.
I think it's the same, right? Launch wizard 2 only it was.
Oh,
For both the things, I think.
just wait a minute. I need to check. First one is launch wizard 2, and the second one will be it's one, madam. It's
Yes.
one.
Yes. Last time you did it for 2 actually.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's go to the cube admin. Means master node.
Yeah.
Enable the Docker here first before we proceed with other commands. TL start Docker. Yeah, systemctl enable Docker. Okay, fine. The service is created. Let's go ahead and execute the command for kubeadmin. That may mk like you need to create the
Which one, madam?
I'm giving you that. That mkdir $home for your kube config is there, no? Yeah, those 3 commands exactly. Go ahead and
So,
execute one by one in master.
what is command, madam? It's giving permission.
Yes, it is initiating your config file of Cube.
Okay, we ran it in master.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now go ahead and see kubectl get what. Here the default should start.
Two
Okay,
are in
everything
pending state.
started except core DNS, right?
Yeah, yeah. So this still the two are pending, ma'am.
It will be pending until we go ahead and start, like add the YAML file. Okay, give me a second. Give this.
Where we need to run, madam? This
In the master node.
it's one.
Yeah, let the calico also be there. Yeah, copy this as well. Sudo kubectl apply -f and the link. Yes.
But this we didn't run in the beginning when we are
No,
running in.
see, you can even use calico.yaml or you can use the other packages as well. That is left on the selection. Like you can use multiple things. Because it was not working for Calico, I'm thinking it should work for this. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's create it. Okay, fine. Now go ahead and run the pods again to see if the other two thing which was pending the core DNS thing, right? kubectl, yeah. Get all nodes. Get pods, sorry. No,
Yeah, sorry.
sorry, not get pods. It is all namespaces also. The previous command, yes, copy that one.
Yeah, they are running.
Now it is running, right? Okay, perfect. So go ahead and type in kubectl get nodes to check if the nodes are like if the master is ready. Sorry, not this one.
Here.
Yeah, in the master node. Not that one, not that one. It's already done. kubectl get nodes. Get nodes is to check if how many nodes are there in the cluster, right? Okay, so one master is there and the status is ready, right? So now go ahead and run kube admin join in knode. Copy that command, yes. Go to the knode. Enter.
Yeah, ma'am, it completed, I think.
Yeah, okay, it is telling this node has joined the cluster, right? Go back to the master node.
Yeah.
Type retype the command again, like sudo kubectl get nodes, yes. So now you're having one more node which is called as k node which has joined the cluster, right? So both of them are in ready status.
Yeah, but why? See, this is already the node.
You need to restart the machines. Like both the machine name is wrong, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yeah. Once you restart the machine, you will get the effect. But right now, let's not do it.
Restart the machine instance restarting. Huh?
Yeah, in the AWS, you need to restart the instance.
Oh.
Okay, but right now, let's not do it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create a pod. Okay,
Yeah.
just run the syntax for this one, Nginx container, which was there in the list. kubectl run nginx hyphen image nginx. Okay, let me ping you that.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
Yes, correct. Master node, yes. Give get pods, kubectl get pods. So now you see the status is running, right? Before it
Yeah.
was in that region, it was showing pending. Okay. Yeah. So now it is
It's
running.
like that is due to the region problem,
A
madam.
region specific problem. Yeah. Nowadays, like because of this corona, right? Few regions are not performing that great.
Oh.
Mumbai, it is working fine. That's the reason I prefer Mumbai right now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So let's go ahead and add the contents of the YAML file for pod creation. Create a
Hello,
file,
ma'am.
nano. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. So sorry for interrupting. So I'm getting the calls from user. So we can
Oh,
continue tomorrow.
okay. Fine. Then fine. No problem. Because anyways, the setup is there. We have to just restart and it will work. We'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Then we
Yes, ma'am.
can anyhow we can have a setup.
Yeah. Okay.
We will do
Fine.
it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you, ma'am.